be cleaning out my fridge and my freezer. They both are really dirty. I know there's like some expired food in there that I need to throw away, and just some old stuff that needs to be thrown away, and then I need to go just like reorganize everything because everything's just been kind of being thrown in there lately. So I'm going to do that, and I just thought I would take you guys along with me in case you needed some extra cleaning motivation today. The bag of frozen raspberries kind of spilled out, so there's a big mess, so I just wanted to clean that up. So I ended up going to Dollar Tree and getting these little black bins right here. I felt it made it like a bit more organized. And then I put like our cherries and fruit in little baggies up there. But I got this one, and I'm going to put like all of our canned drinks, like my soda and just any like canned drinks that we get. And then over here, this is just kind of like random stuff, jelly, biscuits, and whatnot. And then this one down here is just all of JJ's little applesauce and some pumped milk and just stuff like that. So that is what I ended up doing with the fridge, and I really, really like it. Well, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like these kind of cleaning videos that I've been doing, and make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.